out of all the people in this world, I would have never imagined that I would be marrying someone as special as you. It took me a million dreams, a million wishes, a million prayers, and a ton of patience to make you come true. I think I may have stolen a bunch of girls' dreams and wishes while manifesting.
And most of all, I love your relentlessness. That you are the most persistent, persevering, like relentless. You never give up once you have something on target. That inspires me. Like immense. Like, yeah, can't come up with the words. But you always go after what you want, and you always achieve it. And of course, again, I'd be remiss not to express my admiration for your interior menu.
Speak French.